Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my cranberry and chocolate Greek yogurt. I have 1 cup skimmed or low fat milk, and this one is 1 cup full cream milk. And I'm gonna use this whisk. This is my store-bought Greek yogurt, the plain one. That's where I'll get my culture. So I'm gonna pour 2 cups of lukewarm water and mix well. That's what I'm using for my culture, the Greek yogurt. It makes very lovely yogurt. And then we're going to do likewise also with the full cream milk, as I'm making 2 different flavors of yogurt. So we're going to whisk that very well to break all the lumps. It's now time for us to add our Greek yogurt. So let's open it. So I'm gonna try to add it half. Yeah, you know it's not that hard, so yeah, I'm gonna add half in the low fat milk and half in the full cream milk, and mix it very well. So we are done mixing, and now I'm gonna cover the top with the plastic wrap. It's optional. You can just cover it with whatever cover. Yeah, cover it with a plastic wrap, and then I'm also placing the covers right on top. So I'm gonna label my containers so I can remember the contents. Yeah, so the F for full cream and S for skimmed. Yeah, then wrap them in a towel and place them in a warm area. I'm gonna place mine in a microwave like this. So the following day, it's time for unwrapping. My favorite time. I'm always so curious to just find out what I've created or what I've made. Yeah, sorry, I apologize. The filming is really bad. My battery died in the camera, so I just had to use a phone, and it's terrible. Look at how thick it is. And then now let's check the full cream. That's the skim that is thick. The full cream milk now, you can see it's thick, but not as thick as the low fat. Oh my gosh, my cameraman's finger is right there. Sorry. I'm gonna use these dried cranberries to make my cranberry yogurt. So I'll start by pouring this half cup of cranberries into my blender, and then I'm gonna use the liquid in this yogurt, the low fat yogurt, just to aid in the blending, and also 3 tablespoons of honey. And yeah, that's the honey here. And then blend until not a very smooth consistency. I want some chunks of cranberries to be there. I don't want it very smooth, but it all depends what you want. So we are done, and then we're going to add it to this yummy thick Greek yogurt. Can you see how thick it is? I always prefer to use the Greek yogurt. I'm gonna give a link in the description or my other video where I made yogurt. So we're adding the cranberries now to the yogurt. So add the cranberry and mix well. So I like it this way. Yep. And let me just eat some of these. I'll try it out. And just sprinkle a few dried cranberries on top. It's optional. Guys, this thing tastes really good. I ain't lying. It's very, very, very tasty. Now we're going to work on the full cream one. Yeah, it's also lovely, but not like the low fat one. So I'm going to use this lovely Grenada chocolate 60%. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of the herbs and spices spread. And this is the melted chocolate with the herbs and spices paste. Let's add it to our yogurt and do some mixing. So we're done mixing, and we're gonna sprinkle pieces of chocolate on top. It's also optional. It's all how you want your yogurt to be or taste. There you go, cranberry yogurt and chocolate yogurt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Like and share, and thanks for subscribing. Bye.